What happens when rum flavor is added to whiskey? Find out. What happens when rum flavor is added to whiskey? Find out. Artificial flavoring agents found in 10 Indian spirits brands, sparking regulatory chaos. FSSAI prohibits adding artificial or nature-identical flavorings that imitate a spirit's natural taste. Neutral or extra-neutral alcohol is already used in beverage production. Added flavor must be declared as flavored spirit rather than standard liquor. No internationally recognized manufacturing practice involves adding rum flavor to rum or whiskey flavor to whiskey. There is no internationally recognized manufacturing practice whereby rum flavor is added to rum or whiskey flavor is added to whiskey. The Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI, has issued a blanket ban on the sale of 10 specific spirits variants from some of India's most well-known brands, following factory inspections and laboratory tests that revealed the use of artificial flavoring agents. The affected products come from United Spirits, Inbrew Beverages, and Mohan Rocky Springwater. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare confirmed that investigations found some manufacturers were producing beverages mainly from spirit or extra-neutral alcohol and later adding flavors to recreate the sensory characteristics of products like rum and whiskey. While the government has clarified that this is a standards and labeling compliance issue, not a case of counterfeit or spurious liquor, the move has sent one of India's most commercially significant domestic liquor segments into regulatory uncertainty. The full list of affected products and facilities: Mohan Rocky Springwater, Khopoli, Maharashtra, Old Monk the Legend, Gold Reserve, and XXX Matured Rum. United Spirits, Baramati, Maharashtra, Makdo Wales No. 1 Rum. United Spirits, Madhya Pradesh, Antiquity Blue Whisky and Royal Challenge Whisky. Inbrew Beverages, Madhya Pradesh, Bagpiper Deluxe Whisky and Old Cask Deluxe XXX Rum. Associated Alcohol Breweries, Madhya Pradesh, Central Province Whisky and Makdo Wales No. 1 Celebration Matured XXX Rum. Separately, inspections and product sampling were carried out at the Goa premises of Mandakshi distilleries and breweries, with notices issued to 6 other manufacturers in Maharashtra. Is the artificial flavoring ban too strict, stifling innovation in India's spirits industry? Tell us in the comments yes or no.
Here's what this means for you. Verify the authenticity of Indian spirits products by checking the label and manufacturer before purchase. Save this video for future reference.
Follow Legal Output on Instagram and Legal Output Official on YouTube for daily legal updates.